It's an intense moment right now. You could feel it in the atmosphere.
Round 1.
And we begin.
Dешан from Sri Lanka.
Good punch from Dешan.
From Kazakhstan. Dешan in blue and Nұрислам in red.
Don't forget Sri Lanka. He has the lion inside of him. And Dешan gets a couple of good clean punches inside. It's a body shot that hurt Dешan. A body shot. A hard body shot that hurt this young man. And will Dешan continue? He chooses to continue. How will this go on? Will Dешan give it up? Or will he take it on a shield? Protecting it, he needs to protect the body. He needs to protect the body. And that's another count for Dешan. It's early in the first round.
4, 5, 6, 7.
It's early in the first round. Dешan willing to continue. But it's one more. And he needs to protect. And he needs to move. He needs to take a chance to heal and recover. Because another hard blow would end it. And he's looking, the man in red, looking to get that point.
Stop!
Oh. The referee ends the fight. And that is the end for Dешan Jayasundara. What a disappointing end to the fight. Facing such a tough opposition, Nұрислам.
The winner of this bout by referee stop the contest is the boxer from the red corner, Nұрислам Қалдыбаев, representing Kazakhstan.
That's a great effort from Dешан Jayasundara.